For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
While we thought it was just another war of words between actor Kangana Ranaut and filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, it turned out to be a very ugly fight on the evening of September 19th. In fact, the fight got so serious that hashtag arrest Anurag Kashyap began to trend on Twitter. This came after actor Payal Ghosh made some serious allegations against the filmmaker and claimed that he forced himself on her. Actor Payal Ghosh alleged the filmmaker of sexually harassing her. Payal took to Twitter and requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take action against the filmmaker. Anurag Kashyap has forced himself on me and extremely badly. PMO India, Narendra Modi ji, kindly take action and let the country see the demon behind this creative guy. I'm aware that it can harm me and my security is at risk. Please help. Payal's tweet soon became a national headline after Kangana Ranaut backed her and retweeted her post on her account with hashtag arrest Anurag Kashyap. Every voice matters, hashtag MeToo, hashtag arrest Anurag Kashyap. It took no time for the NCW chairperson to enter the picture. NCW chairperson immediately responded to Payal Ghosh's allegations against Anurag Kashyap and asked the actor to send her a detailed complaint. Before all this, a war of words was already happening between Kangana Ranaut and the filmmaker. Anurag Kashyap was trolling Kangana through his quirky tweets. From calling Kangana the only Manikarnika of India to suggesting her to go to the LAC to fight the Chinese troops, Anurag Kashyap left no stone unturned to ridicule the actor. But never had he imagined that he will be soon slammed with allegations of sexual harassment. The filmmaker broke his silence and called all the allegations against him baseless. In fact, the filmmaker again took a jibe at Kangana Ranaut and not Payal Ghosh.
Wow, it took so long in the attempt to silence me. It's okay. In the attempt to silence me, you dragged several other women despite being a woman yourself. Have some limit, madam. Will you just want to say that whatever the accusations are, they are all unsubstantiated?
In another tweet, the filmmaker also spoke about his wives and love life.
In the process of accusing me, you tried to drag my artists and the Bachchan family but failed. Madam, I have been married twice. If that's my crime, then I accept it. And have loved a lot. I accept that too. Whether it was my first wife or the second or any other lover or the many actresses I have worked with or that team of girls and women who have always been working with me or the many women who I met in private or in public.
While many are backing Kangana and Payal Ghosh and trending hashtag arrest Anurag Kashyap, others are also questioning Payal Ghosh's sudden allegations. Netizens are claiming that Anurag Kashyap is being targeted for trolling Kangana Ranaut, who they claim has the backing of the political party BJP.